Now, why, why it looks fancy word, but why do we worry about this attraction? Quite simply, you might have seen in your career or life, there are some people who are rich and they always get richer. Or, there are some people who tend to get many more opportunities in their life. Or, there may be some people who seem lucky, they have all the opportunities, they have many other things coming on their way. So what exactly happens? And when I was studying about this, I realized that people who are lucky, or let's say rich, or they're getting most of the opportunities, it's not because they like it doesn't happen to them automatically, or not because they're lucky. It's luck is a conscious thing. They actually pull the luck towards them, they actually attract the luck towards them. So how can this happen? How you can be lucky, or how can you attract the things? You can attract the things towards you. You can attract the success towards you by making certain changes or doing certain steps. Which are those steps? Those are the ones which I are going to learn today. Now, attract is a nice and simple word to remember, but at the same time, it is an acronym. And as we go along, I'll explain how you can use this simple word attract to attract lots of career success and many more opportunities for you in your life.